Welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought new updates regarding faculty recruitment in different colleges or university. So the first college is Thapad Institute of Engineering and Technology. They are inviting application for faculty for branches biotechnology, civil, chemical, computer science, electrical and instrumentation, biomedical, electronics communication, electrical, electronics and computers, mechanical, mechatronics, chemistry and biochemistry, energy and environment, mathematics and statistics, humanity and social science, liberal arts, economics, psychology and cognitive science, physics and material science, and management. So how you have to apply? You have to go to Thapad www.thapad.edu. In that you will get one faculty opening is there. By that you have to apply through online mode. First, you must take care that you will fulfill the list eligibility criteria. For apply means minimum eligibility criteria you fulfill, then you will apply, otherwise you not apply. Don't send the application by email, and the last date will be 15th of February 2022. After that it will be if your application will be received after 15th, then it will be considered in next round of selection. Next college is Vignans. In that Lara Institute of Technology and Science, and second one Nirulla Institute of Technology and Science for Bowman. They have walk-in interview for professor, associate professor, and assistant professor in CSE, ECE, Maths, English, Chemistry, and MBA. The date and time of interview will be on 12th of February from 9 a.m. onwards. Qualification and salary as per AICTE norms, appropriate pay will be offered based on experience and qualification. Fresh candidate with GATE, NET, SET qualification are preferred. PhD holders will be considered for higher pay. Next is KITS. In that two colleges there, KKR and KSR Institute of Technology and Science. They have walk-in interview for assistant professor, MBA, assistant and associate professors for CSE and ECE, programmer for CSE branch. Interview date this college in Kakinada, Kerala, and interview date will be on 13th of February 2022 on Sunday from 9:30 a.m. onwards. You have to go with copy of resume, PAN card, Aadhaar card, and 2 photos and original certificates. Next college is Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. This college is in Kodavalaru, SPSR, Nellore. They wanted faculty, assistant professor for ECE and CSE. Qualification required BTech and MTech with first class. Humanity and science for English. You must have BA English and MA English with first class. Resume with scanned certificates to be sent to careers@sbcn.ac.in before 15th of February. Interview date will be intimated through call or mail after verification of your resume. Next college is Anurag Engineering College. They wanted faculty, professor, associate professor, and assistant professor in CSE, ECE, EEE, Civil, Mechanical, MBA, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, and English. The eligibility criteria as per AICTE norms. So interested candidate have to send their resume to hr@anurag.ac.in within 10 days. This college is in Anantagiri, Kodad, Suryapet. Next college is Others College of Engineering. It is also in Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh. Kakinada in Andhra Pradesh, sorry. It's not in Kerala. They wanted faculty for associate professor, assistant professor for civil, CSE, ECE, mechanical, and physics. They also have requirement for lab technician programmers for CSE, mechanical, ECE, and physics. So how you have to apply? You have to send your CV to careers.others@gmail.com before 12th of February. Next vacancy is in Universal College of Engineering and Technology, Guntur, Andhra Pradesh, for academic year 2021-22. They are hiring for professor, associate professor, and assistant professor for the department electronics communication, computer science engineering, and mathematics. Qualification required for that is you must have PhD, master degree, bachelor's degree with first class in all the preceding degree in appropriate branch of engineering and science with exemplary academic record. Candidates should complete their PG and PhD in relevant discipline with experience, commitment to hard work. Apply mode email. You have to send your resume to ucetprincipal@gmail.com. Next vacancy is in Vinayaka Mission, Kirupananda Bariyar Engineering College, Salem, Tamil Nadu. They are hiring for assistant professor full time, assistant professor and professor full time, department having vacancy, computer science and engineering. Qualification required for professor BE BTech, ME MTech and PhD in CSC, and for assistant professor BE BTech and ME MTech with first class in either UG or PG. Eligible for apply. Experience required 0 to 1 year. You have to send your resume to HOD csc@vmkvec.edu.in. Next vacancy is in KSR Institute of Engineering, KSR Institute for Engineering and Technology. They are hiring for teaching professor, associate professor, and assistant professor full time. The department having vacancy is computer science and engineering and information technology. Qualification required ME MTech and PhD. For engineering departments, candidates should have completed their PG and PhD in a relevant engineering discipline. Job location, it is in Tamil Nadu. You can apply either through email, postal or online form. You have to send your resume to info@ksriet.ac.in. This is the postal address. You can send your application on this address also. Next vacancy is Muhammad Sathak Engineering College, Kilakarai, Tamil Nadu. They are hiring associate professor and assistant professor for branches agriculture engineering, architecture, aeronautical, civil, chemical and mathematics. Qualification required PhD or master degree, bachelor degree with first class in all preceding degree in appropriate branch of engineering and science. Experience required for assistant professor minimum 3 years of experience, and for associate professor minimum 9 years of experience of the 2 years post PhD experience. Apply mode is email or hard copy. You have to apply before 15th of February on email principal@mscec.org.in. This is the contact address. You can contact on this address also. Next college is Chendu College of Engineering and Technology. It is in Tamil Nadu. They are hiring for assistant professor in branches CSC, ECE, Mechanical and Science and Humanities. Qualification required ME MTech and MSc MPhil. Experience 0 to 1 year. Job location Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. You can apply either through postal or email. Last date 13th of February. You have to send your resume to hrfaculty21@gmail.com. This is the postal address. You have to go with send your resume along with recent passport size photograph and necessary document to following address. Next vacancy is Hyderabad Institute of Technology and Management, Medachal, Telangana. They are hiring for associate professor and assistant professor full time. The department having vacancy CSC, ECE, electrical and electronics, ECE and mechanical. Qualification ME MTech. And regarding apply mode, it is through email. You have to send your resume aspire@hitam.org, and this is college address. So that's all about today's vacancy. You share it with your friends. If you are watching my video first time, so then subscribe the channel so that upcoming notification will be watched by you first. Thank you. Have a nice day.